Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Market opened up here 20 minutes ago. No, sorry, 10 minutes ago. And we just been watching here. Have this nice trend line. But it's just been so volatile that I'm scared to make a trade. We do have this kind of channel. Could argue that that's channel right there. But came back from a vacation. That's why I didn't post all week. Yeah, just on a vacation, and it's really good to get away. But yeah, now I'm back and ready to trade. Sorry, I have like none of my really bad prep. Got on late, and I don't have any of my lines drawn. Previous sessions. Still have this line here from however long ago. But yeah, looks like we are in a downtrend, and that's from Friday. And just looking here, we do have bulls trying to get in. Delta's not looking really strong right here. Looks like the bulls are getting weaker. Lost this thing. But yeah, with volatility, right now it's at 33. So the VIX is at 33. The volatility for the NAS is at 37. Like, it's really hard to trade in this environment. One, you get candle swings like this and this, which, like, if you don't have wide stops, you're gonna get stopped out pretty easily. It looks like we're forming a channel upwards. Bounce off point of control and VWAP here. So we are making higher lows and higher highs. If we break this channel, I would maybe look for a short. Delta's looking pretty weak. We'll see though, that can change. Yes, nice tails here. Generally these tails will get tested or ran. So yep, here it goes, tries to run these tails. This new 5-minute candle, we're trying to hold it on the NAS, but again, remember we are in a downtrend. So we'll see what happens here. So this is a break of this uptrend. See if we make a lower low. Nice bounce. So we made a lower low. See if we bounce off this. So this downtrend is working out. Should have took the short up here. That's okay though. Be patient. We are breaking this trend line, but we can bounce up pretty easily. Delta's looking pretty heavy. Like I said, this gets ran with the ES, just ran it down. Pretty significant. Not looking good for the markets, I tell you. Trying to be patient. This could be a retest here of this trend line. This mini uptrend. Again, we're still in a downtrend. Pretty significant volume here. And as completely engulfing. Still didn't make it lower low here. So we'll just watch what happens. We are at value area low, so I guess anything can happen here. So we didn't even reach value area from yesterday, which is interesting. Here's a breakdown. I'd like to see a retest up here. Possibly. Things, my stops are really small. Bit nervous, like we could still pop up here and I'd get taken out. Especially with volatility so high, there's bigger trading, so you're not getting the usual rhythms. And check down value area low. Maybe retrace back down to the overnight lows. Possible. Continue to sell off here. Good rejection off of this. Can't remember where my stops are. I think it's 250. So we'll just let this breathe a bit. We could very well get taken out on the next candle or this candle. Yeah, we got taken out. It's worth it just to see what would happen. Literally almost there. Volatility is just too high. Seems like we're trying to get a bounce here. Good deltas. We don't know if this would stick though. Breaking this downtrend here. So we recovered this uptrend. Broke below, did make it a lower low. Just barely. Neutral shifted down here. So we could either break up or down from this point. Just had a bunch of contracts. Delta's looking positive. was thinking about buying right there too. Really strong deltas here. Control shift it up. So I don't know what the market wants to do 100%. Deltas are looking really strong, but still in a primary downtrend. I think maybe today is just scalps or something. Just look to scalp. So I'm noticing an uptrend. Got in here because shouldn't be making a lower low. Continue this uptrend. Have a nice profit on the table. Boom, we're out. Right where I wanted. This downtrend here that was forming. Really nice one candle. 760 on a 1 minute candle. It's ridiculous. That's why we got out right there at the downtrend. Looks like scalps is the play today. Just gotta time your entries and just get out at ASAP, because we did have a win on this trade here. We got in here to retrace back down to here, and then we got taken out. So looks like scalping is probably the way to go today. Got 2 trades, 230 losing, 760 winning. 530 on the day, playing out with this downtrend here. Let's just see what happens. Delta's looking really strong. That's the only thing that's getting me a bit off. We've made a higher delta high and up here, but price action just looks like we're making an M pattern. Possibly another leg lower, so I'm not 100% sure on our direction. Nice sell off there. Neck below, under control. I look to go short on a scalp. Get kind of heavy. Not a lot of delta sells here. The question is, are we going to hold here? Control shift it down. I'm interested to see what happens here. Looks like we're getting some buyers coming in. Overall downtrend is intact. This is held up. Really nice bottom wick there, or top wick. On the 30-minute, 5 minute, it's just literally been chopped. We've gone nowhere. Back within the 5 minute range here. No indication of a break up or down. Just choppiness. Back to point control. Looking to get in on a short scalp. But we're at belly area low, so I'm going to be patient here. Should have got in on the break of this uptrend. But the delta's just not following though. Let's just watch what happens. We have 530 on the table. Really don't want to give any of that back. New candle here. Belly area low. It's a good area to buy in. Validation, this new low. Good pop there. I'm gonna bring this up because we're at a possible area of resistance. Really good move up. Bam, and that's that. 500 on that trade. Really happy with that. I wanted to bring it up to VWAP, but hey, I'll take that any day. Huge volatility. You can pretty much scalp the 1 minute. Got in here because we're at value area low. Had some good reactions off of it. And validation was if we made a lower low here. Went in there on this candle forming, going to the upside, got in. Probably should have adjusted my take profit, but I wanted to adjust my stop loss as soon as possible. We almost got stopped out, and then we had a nice pop. We would have been stopped out if we put this to VWAP, probably right here. So pretty happy with that trade actually. 1030. Let's see, my average winning trade time is 27 seconds, so 30 seconds and we make profit. We are at 66% win rate, 33% lose. It's about 67% win rate. This is why we got out, because we didn't make that VWAP test. We would have had a little bit more on the table, but you know, that's okay. I'm pretty happy with that $500 trade there. Made lower lows on the day. That was looking pretty heavy. I'm thinking that the sell-off continues. We're already down 2.2% on the NAS, so that's pretty significant here. We could have just sold here. It would have been a really good entry, but just with the volatility, this can definitely have broken up to the upside. Selling off now. Nasdaq looking worse than the ES now, so it's important to note. So we do have the 5-minute opening range here. We could get a retest up here to 12,420. Looks like that's what's happening here. And we're getting a rejection off of it. Tempted to short there, but I mean, I don't want to lose this 1030, so I'm just gonna call it there. Oh, that we would have definitely lost about 200 bucks to, what's my stops at? 230. So maybe a retest of this uptrend, which is what this candle did. Broke down, came up, tested it. See what happens here. Really strong buyers coming in. That's what I was saying all day. Like, yeah, we're selling off, but Delta's, we got a lot of buyers. A lot of buyers trying to get in on this. So this could flip at any time. I'm just gonna call it there. 1030. I don't want to lose any more of that. Volatility is really high, and our stops are really close. So unless you're getting in the perfect amount of time, I advise to do some quick scalps and hope to get out with some profit. So that's it for today's video. I will be sure to prepare my charts tomorrow. Really wasn't too keen on trading, but decided to record anyway, and had some trades work out. 2 winning, 1 losing. Again, just make sure your winners are better than your losers. Currently have my stops at 45, take profit at 100, so about 2 to 1 risk there. But that kind of stop loss in a market like this, if you're not in at the right spot, you're gonna get stopped out, because these candles are pretty wide. So if you're continuing to trade, hopefully you have a profitable day. Make sure to be patient out there, and good luck to everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.